Hey guys. Okay, just wait for us. Ito lang. Apa. Cheers! Oh, okay. The Bear Brand chocolate is so good. And that one. Healthy because this is with milk. Right? Can you try it? Okay, sure. It's with milk, right? Chocolate milk. No. So tasty. Yeah. Got it. Look at ours too. And this one. Mine is the Bear Brand one. Yeah, mine is the Choco Bear Brand. Ano tapon? Okay lang yun. Excuse me. Excuse me everyone. Par up. What's par? What's par? What is par? Okay, see you on part 2. Oh no. It's okay. Part 2. Part 2. Bye. Oh, yes. Not part 2. Not part 2. Yeah. No, I don't like. Okay, now it's part 2. We're gonna see you. We're eating blood.
Michael.